Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be kind of short. I'm trying something new as far as this whole rice water thing. So as y'all can see, I have these individual braids and I put them in about a week ago. But what I'm going to do, or what I'm going to try, is I made some rice water, and what I'm going to do is spray it on my scalp while I have the braids in. But as y'all can see, or as y'all may know, I'm not going to wash these because I feel like that just wouldn't make any sense. So I'm going to probably 2 to 3 times a week I'm going to spray this on my head. And I do have a video on how I made the rice water, but this one I made kind of in a rush. So all I did was put the water and the rice in the bottle and I let it sit. But I also put some what is it called? I put like a extract, not an extract, what is it called? I put an essential oil in there, and yeah, I just wanted to have some type of fragrance. I don't want it to just smell like rice water, so I put that in it, and it has like a citrus peppermint scent. So yeah, it smells kind of good. Anyway, I'm gonna spray it on my scalp. I'm not gonna do a lot, but I'm just gonna show y'all how I do it. We're gonna pretty much see if this works together, or it could be a fail, and we just gonna be failing together, I guess. So let me just start doing this, John. I think I'm gonna try to do it like probably 3 times a week, or 2 times a week. But I don't want to get like too much product buildup. So I don't want to spray too much because I don't plan on washing it out at all because I'm not washing these braids. But
Alright y'all, so this part is pretty self-explanatory. All I'm really doing is just parting through the braids and spraying the rice water onto my scalp and rubbing it in. But it's pretty easy to apply the rice water when you have braids because your hair is like already parted, so it's like super easy. So I could see this being something that I do more often. Wearing braids and also doing the rice water like more frequently, like every other day or more than that. not more than every other day, but either every other day or every 2 days, because it just makes it easier. And I feel like your hair could probably benefit the most from getting this much rice water. But the only thing that I'm kind of worried about is product buildup, which I haven't seen or noticed any product buildup or anything, but I'm still gonna kind of be on the lookout for it. So this is just week 1 as far as me spraying the rice water. I'm gonna give y'all another update next week as well about how it's going for me, and pretty much just give y'all an update on if I see any new growth on my braids or anything that may be going right or going wrong with what I'm doing with this rice water. So yeah, this part's pretty self-explanatory as well, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the beautiful music, which is also a beat of mine. So y'all be on the lookout for some new music coming very, 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 very soon. Be on the lookout, okay guys? Like, it's coming soon. Like, so just get used to this beat because y'all gonna hear it all over the page. So y'all be on the lookout. I'm not gonna tell y'all when, but y'all gotta stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. All right. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this, but yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys at the end of this video. So you guys just sit back, relax, and enjoy the music.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it as far as applying the rice water to my scalp. I probably am going to do it more than 3 times a week. I think I'm going to try to do it like at least every other day, just so that I can see if my hair is going to make a difference as far as like how much it grows while I have these braids in. I only plan on keeping them in for about a month about a month. That's it. So I'll check back in with you guys, or I'll give y'all updates as far as how often I spread the rice water in my hair, and if I notice any new growth within the next 2 weeks or so, because I doubt I'm gonna notice any now. So that's pretty much it so far for this video. I know it was short, but I'm just trying to show you guys or keep y'all updated as far as the rice water, because I know a lot of y'all are interested in that, and that's really what y'all want to see. So yeah, that's it, and thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are alerted every single time I post a new video. Thank you guys again so much for watching my channel. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Any video requests, let me know down below if you have any questions about the rice water or how I made the rice water. I've made multiple videos about this, so I already know that y'all know how to do it, but if not, refer back to my old video. Thank you guys again so much, so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye.
Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.